Hi, my name is Jonathan Blackledge. I'm a Kaseya certified engineer here at DataTech. We're excited to announce the lineup for our Guardian Security and Threat Defense webinar series. This webinar series features our top security experts and covers the pressing concerns IT departments are facing today. We will show you what to expect for the next generation of endpoint security and how to use encryption to protect data without slowing down end users. At this webinar, you'll get answers to these questions. Is your data safe? What type of encryption is right for you? Can you ensure and prove that your host data traffic is encrypted? How can you easily stay ahead of constantly changing security standards and risks? So join me and other security experts on June 23rd at 3 p.m. Eastern to get the latest information on how to keep your data protected in this ever-changing cyber landscape. Hope to see you there.